have you ever been mocked for being child-free or childless? Because again, it's a choice.
सबका वो होता है कि बच्चा हो, and of course kids are beautiful.
And once you get married, it's like
वही वो 10th standard के बाद 12th standard, 12th standard के बाद college के बाद job, तो ये भी हमने ही set किया. Even right now, I think I've always been a rebel of sorts. तो अगर कोई इतना बोलता है ना कि ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, जैसे for example, my nails are hardly ever done. I do not wax or shave or thread because it's expected. In fact, when I started my career, everybody used to ask me कि आप commercial cinema आप कब करेंगे? आप ये मुझे क्यों कह रहे हो कि commercial cinema is more important than the stories I'm telling? And I'm telling you जैसे commercial कुछ होगा, आप पहले अलग टाइप की फिल्में करते थे, तो हम लोग अरे यार. So I often wonder कि जैसे कॉलोनी में अगर कुछ गुंडे आ जाएंगे, I don't think I am the person जो जाके मतलब कि कौन है यहाँ पे. That way I think Golu is more Veera. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी सब कुछ सेम भी होता है ना, बट इफ देयर इज अ बेटर रूम, इफ देयर इज बेटर ट्रीटमेंट, देयर इज बेटर फूड, वो पहले मेल एक्टर को जाता है. सो नो मैटर हु द फीमेल एक्टर माइट बी.
your favorite co-actor?
यार ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. either you're too short or you're too tall or you're too fair or you have too much acne or you have too much dry skin. मतलब there is always you are just not enough. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ श्वेता त्रिपाठी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं मिडडे पर.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Midday's Powerful Women Season 3. Joining me today in conversation is the incredibly talented actor turned producer, Shweta Tripathi Sharma. Hi Shweta, how are you?
Hi, very well. How are you?
Thank you, I'm doing absolutely fine and you look gorgeous
Thank
as
you.
always.
Thank you.
I'm living for the vision in white situation here.
Shwet. Yeah, I think एक तो मौसम भी ऐसा हो चुका है.
Yes.
That my plan is that during this season of heat and humidity, we'll be sticking to as much white and cotton and linen as possible.
Comfort over everything.
Comfort over, yes, exactly that. हम ना, I think with time and because of marketing, of course, हमने comfort को तो out of the window कर दिया है. I'm pretty sure the new trend will be that. Yeah, comfort is the most important, which it is.
You know, since we are speaking about powerful women, what does power mean to you?
I think power is when you feel the ability to do what you want
Yes.
and make that happen. Power is also that feeling of joy. It's also the feeling of Shakti, where you feel that yes, this is something that you've wanted, this is something that you've dreamt about, and there is nothing that can stop you. And of course, there will be roadblocks. Of course, there will be difficulties, and it's a part of that. So I think it is all these feelings and emotions that make you do something and that make you feel a certain way, and I really like that.
At what point in life have you felt the most powerful to date?
I think most of pata nahi, but every time when I am on set, when I am on stage, when I achieve what I want to, even at the gym, even then I feel powerful. When I do what I say I will do, then I feel powerful, making those things happen.
You know, Shweta, you've had an envious career. I mean, over a decade in showbiz. But at the same time, you've also been very picky about the kind of roles that you do. Little more impactful. I mean, they are, you know, something that become topics of conversation eventually. Have you always been cautious and conscious about how you portray yourself on screen? Or is it just that, okay, these are the roles that I don't want to do and this is what I'm here for?
I think a lot of who we are today and who we were even yesterday is defined a lot with the kind of experiences we've had and the upbringing.
Yes.
And I am very lucky, very fortunate because I've had, my parents have been super supportive. That does not mean that they allowed me everything that I wanted to do. But they allowed me to be myself, to explore and to flow. You know, and even my elder sister. So when your heroes are at home, when be it your moral judgment or be it creative as well, so वो सब आप घर से बहुत लेते हो. जैसे मम्मी सितार बजाती थी. I've grown up seeing that. घर पे मेरे interior design की books होती थी. So जब creativity होती है ना, it's not limited to just one thing.
Yes.
My sister, she used to love photography. She used to love theatre. I have seen her on stage. She's a wonderful singer. Dad's an IS officer. तो एक वो doing something for and taking pride in doing something for others, for the society, for the city, for the country, all that वो धीरे धीरे without me realizing, all that was just given to me.
Yes.
Like literally, it's a gift that I've got from the family that I grew up. Even my extended family, and now the family that I'm married into. So I have been very lucky like that, where I was not supposed, where I was not made to feel any lesser because I'm a girl,
Yes.
because I'm all of 5 feet, or because of anything at all. But वो कभी उस गलत encouragement नहीं था, which has really gone a long way. And I think the choices, as much as I would like to take credit for it, I don't think it's mine to take. It is because of all these wonderful people that I've grown up with, and the people now that I'm working with.
Yes.
Because they are literally, they keep on raising the bar, be it my friends and co-actors, be it Richa and Ali, with, they are एक तो the kind of films they act in and the kind of brilliant performances they do, but also producing,
Yes.
choosing the kind of stories, and just उनको art की, उनको रस की पड़ी है कि as actors what are we chasing, because whatever we do and whatever the stories that we are attaching ourselves to, they are weaving into bigger and better things.
Yes.
So numbers are great, all kinds of, be it the number of halls, cinema halls your film is releasing in, or the number of followers that you have, or the paycheck, वो सब ठीक है अपनी जगह, पर उससे ज़्यादा important है कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. In fact, when I started my career, everybody used to ask me कि आप commercial cinema आप कब करेंगे? आप ये मुझे क्यों कह रहे हो कि commercial cinema is more important than the stories I am telling? मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं कभी, पर आप पूछ के, which is why it's very important even the questions that you're asking. बिकॉज अगर कोई मुझ जैसा जिद्दी नहीं होता या रेबल नहीं होता तो उसको तो लगता है हाँ यार अब कमर्शियली करना है.
They make you feel less important.
Yes. Are you asking those people who do only commercial कि आप इंडी क्या कर रहे हो या कब कर रहे हो? And that is their choice. And if they're choosing commercial, there's nothing wrong with that. But why are you making me feel that I need to be or do a certain kind of thing and then I'll be okay? And I'm telling you, जैसे commercial कुछ होगा, पहले अलग टाइप की फिल्में करते थे, तो हम लाइक अरे यार, तो people are confused.
And they'll never be satisfied.
They'll never be satisfied. तो उससे अच्छा है कि भाई तुम वो करते रहो and the questions will change. That is what I've noticed.
So, because you've been a part of the industry for over a decade, you've seen the highs and lows, you've seen how women are treated on set, you being yourself. And have you seen any change or evolvement in terms of your male counterparts versus you? How was it back then? Has it changed now?
So, back then, the thing is, when I started, it was with Masan and Haramkhor.
Yeah.
So that was, everybody on set was so driven with passion and with what we were doing that these things didn't matter. ये मतलब नहीं था. I promise you, like everybody was treated the same क्योंकि resources ही limited थे.
Yes.
तो उसमें आपका gender वेंडर कुछ वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि मतलब जो विकी को करना था या जो उसको और या रिचा को, because she had Masan was we had not made our debut till then, and Richa had already proved herself, but the treatment was the same. And then how Richa treated me, because she never made me, or Nawaz Bhai, they never made me feel that I'm a newcomer, that I'm a junior in any way. They were they're literally large hearts, and lot of respect is what I got from them. So again, I was fortunate with the people that I worked with, and I think that also comes from the projects that you choose.
Yes. Had it been a commercial movie, with probably...
I don't, like, I cannot comment on that. तो मैं बार-बार क्यों ना करूँ इंडी, जहाँ पे even the कहानी जो आप बता रहे हो या फिर आपका जो treatment भी हो रहा है. So that way, and then again, I have got lucky with my co-actors, because there are times where अगर मेरे बोलने से पहले ना मेरे co-actors ही बोल देते हैं. So then there's literally, you're like, wow, you are in not only just safe hands but a safe circle.
Yes.
And this has happened multiple times over, where my co-actors have stood up for me or have spoken about things that are bothering me. So but it definitely happens.
Yes.
It 100% happens. And I was just seeing somebody's interview जहाँ पे वो बात कर रहे थे कि अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी सब कुछ सेम भी होता ना, बट इफ देयर इज अ बेटर रूम, इफ देयर इज बेटर ट्रीटमेंट, देयर इज बेटर फूड, वो पहले मेल एक्टर को जाता है. सो नो मैटर हु द फीमेल एक्टर माइट बी. तो ये कि अगर या तो आप सीनियरिटी के हिसाब से ट्रीट करो, फिर बिल्कुल कोई फाइट नहीं है, बिल्कुल फाइट नहीं है, मतलब देन जो भी व्हाटएवर इज ऑफर्ड इट्स फाइन बिकॉज इट्स सीनियरिटी वाइज.
Yes.
आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ इट शुड बी, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ जेंडर, कास्ट, कलर और एनी अदर थिंग्स. इट शुड बी कि भाई जिसने काम जितना किया है और जो जितना सीनियर है, जितना एक्सपीरियंस है, उसको राइटफुली सो ज्यादा व्हाटएवर अच्छी चीजें ऑफर होनी चाहिए.
I think that's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
So Shweta, you've been a champion of self-love. You know, obviously in your previous interviews, you have mentioned about how your height is always something that is underlined through and through. But has it ever been a hindrance in terms of work or the kind of roles that you're offered?
You know, the funny thing is कि ये सारे जो हम restrictions या हमें लगता है ना limitations हैं.
Yes.
I think I worked with few of the tallest men in the industry. मतलब Ali is over
like
6 plus, Vicky is 6 plus. It does not matter. Like literally, and I've said this before कि एक बार मुझे सबसे ज्यादा जब प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, जब पार्टीज में जब मैंने हील्स नहीं पहने होती and I'm standing with really tall men or women and I can't hear what they're saying. That is it. और मुझे otherwise कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है. In fact बहुत सारे advantages हैं.
Yes.
कि आप कहीं भी कैसे भी आलती पालती मार के आप बैठ सकते हो, आप कहीं भी घुस सकते हो. So I think it's okay. We often tend to focus on things that are not in our favor.
Yes.
And that also what is in our favor. क्योंकि again there is either you're too short or you're too tall or you're too fair or you have too much acne or you have too much dry skin. मतलब there is always you are just not enough.
Yes.
एंड वो हम एक दूसरे को भी बताने में, आज ही आई थिंक मैं रेडियो पे सुन रही थी वेयर दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट हम कितनी जल्दी की लोगों में कमी क्या है ये बहुत जल्दी से बता देते हैं, बट टू गिव अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू समबडी वी रियली होल्ड बैक.
Yes.
तो क्यों, मतलब व्हाई आर वी क्रिएटिंग एन एनवायरनमेंट वेयर पीपल आर नॉट फीलिंग दैट दे कैन से व्हाट दे वांट और अप्रिशिएट ईच अदर, क्योंकि अच्छा ही लगता है ना. आपको जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट देता है उसको भी अच्छा लगता है. So I feel kindness is definitely underrated. That is something, and not just because we are in conversation right now and this is an image that I want to portray of myself. But I really feel that if you do good for somebody else, you feel good.
Yes.
तो वो तो selfish reason की वजह से अच्छा कर दो किसी और का. Be it height, be it मतलब literally. I think I was reading about Sai Pallavi, and I think she has acne and rosacea.
Yeah.
And then she said that, but everybody accepted me with that.
Yes.
And that's the thing, कि अगर you accept yourself with something, somehow things fall into place. And I feel that this entire life, this entire journey is really up to us. There are a lot of things which are not in our control, and they will keep happening. And life is how we respond to those things that are happening. Like, for example, COVID अगर हो जाता है,
Yes.
तो वो तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन उस सिचुएशन में हम कैसे रिएक्ट कर पाते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं उसका, हम अगर डरते भी हैं, दैट्स ऑल्सो ऑल राइट. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्नॉलेज योर फीलिंग्स. वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड देन फिगर आउट कि अच्छा ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ आई एम फीलिंग नाउ, व्हाट डू आई डू अबाउट दैट.
Yes.
So, and you're still a good human being, even if you are, there are thoughts that come to your mind which you are judging yourself for.
Yes.
But उतना seriously नहीं लेना चाहिए अपनी लाइफ को. तो which is why, like even right now, I think I've always been a rebel of sorts. तो अगर कोई इतना बोलता है ना कि ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, जैसे for example, my nails are hardly ever done. I just get manicures, pedicures done if at all because
basic hygiene.
basic hygiene, literally that. But otherwise, मतलब be it my nails, be it my eyebrows, or be it I do not wax or shave or thread because it's expected. And I've done beauty ads with this and nobody's ever said a thing. तो वही है कि जितना वो big deal बनाते जाओ ना, लाइफ में वो big deal बनती जाएगी.
And we tend to overthink.
Oh my god, that's one thing that I do not I try not to overthink, and which is why I think that my sanity and my happiness is a lot to do with that. I do not overthink. If I do think, all I repeatedly think about is that how I want the Golden Bear, which is Berlin Film Festival में वो मिलता है. I want those good looking beautiful awards. I want to work with directors and co-actors that will literally bring the best in me.
Yes.
That is what I'm greedy for, and that is what I overthink about. But otherwise, क्या किसने सोचा है, क्योंकि वो तो literally चलता ही रहेगा.
Shweta, you're such a wholesome personality. I'm sure, just like me, whoever has a conversation with you, like, really has a lot of to like retrospect and reflect upon it. But when you decided to be with a Chaitanya Sharma, who is a different personality altogether, you must have had some expectations in life, like, you know, this is the kind of person who I want to be with. And did he fit the bill? If yes, then how?
I think music is magic.
Yes.
Because that's something I can have music on all the time. और even अगर मतलब बाहर चाहे वो leaves का rustling हो या फिर waves का हो, I like it does something to me. तो मेरे like musicians are right up there, and as luck would have it, I wanted somebody who was very simple,
Yeah.
who's not complicated. He's everything that. His heart, he's my favorite person in this entire universe. And I'm not saying that because I'm married to him. If he was married to somebody else also, I think maybe I would have said the same thing. But he's my best friend.
Yes.
He is my anchor. He is the one that I listen to the most. And we don't agree on a few things, and that's okay. We have accepted that who and how we are, and every day we just try to understand each other better.
Yes.
वही कि कुछ दिन कभी ज्यादा होता है, कुछ दिन कम होता है, but we know we are on the same team. कि ऐसा नहीं कि अगर हमारा कुछ disagreement भी होता है, that it's very important that we are not fighting. मतलब एक दूसरे से थोड़ी ना है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या फिर communication gap हुआ है, which it's very important to talk about. Earlier I used to keep everything within.
Yeah.
And because I'm not a very confrontational person, is what he says. But he made me realize that it's very important, वरना वो सरदर्द हो जाता है.
True.
जब अंदर ही अंदर आप ज़्यादा सोचते रहते हो कि अच्छा ये क्या, क्यों क्या, कैसे क्या, आगे क्या होगा, क्यों वो सरदर्द पालना है. If you know that this person, you love him, you respect him or her, मतलब depending on the relationship, just sort it out. क्योंकि वो अंदर अंदर ना आप ही वो मतलब अंदर वो कसते रहते हो.
Yes.
And it's not good for your skin, your hair, your digestion, so might as well. And it's not easy.
Yes.
It's not easy क्योंकि वो बोलना ही वो खुद पहले आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो वो भी प्रोसेस है. पर अगर मुझे लगता है कि अगर बात करने में अगर आपको लग रहा है तो आप टेक्स्ट कर दो या कॉल कर दो या वॉइस नोट भेज दो या चिट्ठी लिख दो.
But communicate.
But communicate, because communication is key.
Also, you know, because the two of you are from sort of a similar field, a lot of couples face this where, you know, they do the same kind of work, but there's that competitive nature that comes in where, you know, men are intimidated if their spouses, a woman is earning more than them or a little doing more or better at life than them. That competitiveness comes. How do you resolve that? Because you both are from the same field, but then, you know, you don't have that kind of tension. Touchwood, how do you maintain that?
I think a lot of things that happen in the society and to all of us is because of the conditioning.
Yes.
Like just the very fact that there are so many girls who give up their degrees, their jobs when they get married.
Yes.
तो अब ये आदत सी हो गई है. या फिर for example when they get pregnant.
Yes.
But then again there are so many examples around us that in fact I remember that Richa only वो delivery के लिए जा रही थी, but वो girls will be girls का email भेज रही थी. And when you hear, I think it's very important to talk about all this because then you feel you're not alone, yaar.
Yeah.
कि no matter in what you're doing, there are other women, and especially अगर आप internationally देखोगे, वहाँ तो nannies नहीं होती हैं.
Yes.
वहाँ पे in fact you have to be working, you have to be cooking, you have to take care of the baby as well and each other. So again, I think mind ना बहुत जल्दी adapt कर लेता है.
Yes.
So what you're feeding in, not just like in terms of diet, but also in terms of diet, in terms of what you're reading, what you're seeing, the conversations that you're having, all that makes a huge difference.
Yes.
तो ये conditioning जो हो रही है वो I think change होना बहुत ज़रूरी है because even I had read this letter written. I have a goldfish memory, तो मुझे बस वो sense याद रह जाता है, बाकी समय भूल जाती हूँ. तो उसमें ये था, there was a man who had written this letter and which was to his wife that please keep your job. Because it gets very difficult as to be the only bread earner in the family.
Yes.
Because that is also a lot of pressure.
Yes.
कि अगर आपका जॉब चला गया तो बच्चों का क्या होगा, फैमिली का क्या होगा, पेरेंट्स का क्या होगा, या फ्रेंड्स या पेट्स का क्या होगा. So I think it's high time we take the pressure off men. I think now all of us are पहले से actually have been coming to our own, realizing our dreams and our potential, and let's be that support.
Yes.
And let's enhance that. जो हमारी USP है वो एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखा के, छोटा दिखा के, उससे अच्छा है कि let's appreciate that, because then as a society we will be a much healthier society.
Yes,
which
true.
is something I really like. Even mentors, you know, कि I have a lot of male mentors, friends that I look up to and I can just pick up the phone. Women उतनी नहीं है, एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो चेंज हो, बिकॉज वो एक अलग बॉन्डिंग होती है. कुछ ये नहीं कि कोई चीज ज्यादा अच्छी है या ज्यादा बुरी है, बट अच्छा लगता है कि व्हेन यू नो, मतलब आई वोंट लाई दैट, बट अगर एक फीमेल डायरेक्टर होती है या फीमेल इन एनी कैपेसिटी होती है, आई फील प्राउड.
Yes.
आई फील कम ऑन, लाइक इवन माय wonderful director friend Aarti Kadam.
Yes.
She had a baby. She used to, matlab, till the last week, she was sitting in production houses to pitch, to talk about her stories. And abhi bhi she had a second baby, Prithvi, and Mrs. has released, and she's always at it.
Yes.
So I feel, yaar, agar ek kar sakte hain na, to sab bhi kar sakte hain.
Have you ever been mocked for being child-free or childless? Because again, it's a choice.
No, not till date, and I feel that it is a very, very personal choice.
Yes.
And ये तो literally, I think, girl का होना चाहिए decision.
Yes.
Because no matter how much your parents or in-laws, your partner might love you or the child, but what happens to and within your body, even your career or dreams, that the girl goes through.
Yes.
तो जबकि मैं पूरा समझती हूँ कि सबकी चाह अलग अलग होती है, सबका वो होता है कि एक बच्चा हो around, and of course kids are beautiful.
And once you get married, it's like cub.
Yeah, correct. वही वो 10th standard के बाद 12th standard,
Yes.
12th standard के बाद कॉलेज के बाद जॉब, तो ये भी हमने ही सेट किया है. So again, I think it's very important that जो कंडीशनिंग जो हुई है या जो ब्रैकेट्स में डाले गए हैं, एंड देयर कुड बी सो मेनी डिफरेंट रीजंस टू हैव अ चाइल्ड और नॉट हैव अ चाइल्ड. सो आई थिंक कि वही कि दूसरे के घर को ठीक या टिप्पणी देने से पहले हम जो कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, जो कर सकते हैं हम वो करते हैं ना.
It's high time we break that cycle.
Yes. That even if somebody wants to have 2 or 3 or not have, it's absolutely all right, because किसने ये वो मैथ्स की है कि क्या अच्छा है या क्या अच्छा नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई गॉट टू नो अभी कि एक जो थे वन कपल दैट आई नो, their child is 14 and उन्होंने ये सोचा कि अरे मतलब इसको अगर कुछ हो गया तो, so they've had another one. पर लाइक ये क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है बेचारे वो दूसरे वाले से, you know, what if he wants to study or she wants to study abroad or have a life of their own, आप ये baggage क्यों डाल रहे हो?
It's a very selfish move.
Yes, so that I feel कि मतलब सोच समझ के करना चाहिए, because you're bringing a life who will have a life of their own, and I think there should be all kinds of love and support to make them their individual. Also भी जो दुनिया की हालत है.
Yeah. I get you. I get you. I'm also concerned for my daughter.
No, but I mean that is also the hope.
Yes.
That I think the generation that is coming, their empathy is way more. Be it anything, be it about the AQI, be it about the LGBTQ plus community, be it just being sensitive to people.
Yes.
I think अभी जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं and जो बच्चे हैं, they are way more evolved in a lot of ways than our parents or what we are.
Yes, true. Shweta, you're venturing into production, a big feat on your end, and congratulations for that.
Thank you.
As a producer, as a woman in the production arena, you know, I ask this to a lot of female artists who turn into producers, that how in your way are you going to change the landscape of storytelling, besides bringing women-oriented stories or, you know, female leads and all of that, which again in hindsight is going to happen, but that freshness, how are you intending to bring that?
So मेरा ये नहीं है कि I want to change the society. I want to tell stories which I think need to be told.
Yes.
And I want to tell them in an entertaining way, so that सिर्फ आप और मैं ही नहीं देख रहा हूँ, जिनको already पता है कुछ चीजों के बारे में या जो issues हम जो बात करना चाहते हैं. I want that literally लोग from every strata in the society are watching it, क्योंकि तभी कुछ होगा. अगर सिर्फ हम अपने लिए बना रहे हैं तो मतलब आई डोंट बिलीव दैट अपने लिए कुछ बनाना, मतलब इन माय केस भाई सबका अलग अलग वो होता है, बट आई वांट टू मेक समथिंग दैट कैन बी कंज्यूम्ड बाय एवरीबॉडी, बट विच इज ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिशियस, विच इज नॉट कि मतलब 2 मिनट में कुछ बन जाता है और वो आप खा लो, बिकॉज 2 मिनट में जो बनेगा वो अच्छा नहीं बनेगा अनलेस आपके पास ऑलरेडी इंग्रेडिएंट्स है और आपने मैरिनेशन किया हुआ है और आपके सारे स्टेप्स हैं, यू डू योर होमवर्क पहले. But what I want to tell is stories about, in fact, one is about beauty. because I think how everybody just is looking the same or starting to look the same
Yes.
because of what we are doing.
Totally.
In fact, I saw a hoarding जो अभी है where like while driving I wear what I want to,
Yes.
and I think everybody should be able to wear what they want to. But somewhere जब हम hoardings पे एक चीज देख रहे हैं just for eyeballs, I think that can be dangerous. Because then literally your eyes are going there. You're putting thoughts in people's mind. So I think we have to be mindful.
Yes.
We should be mindful about that. Now, for example, there is a two female lover story that I will be producing. Now, मेरा ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं उस चीज के लिए I'll take cast and crew from the LGBTQ plus community.
Yeah.
I will take that for all the films. मतलब मुझे वो चेक टिक मार्क वो नहीं करना है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे अभी ये करना है, वहाँ पे वो करना है, या फिर इतने नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स होने ही चाहिए एक
It's that, you
writers'
know,
room
category of inclusivity जो एक नया trend चालू हुआ
correct,
है.
exactly.
Like in the West, it's like one black, one Asian, one white.
Yeah, and I think that is also important क्योंकि इस बहाने चलो आप at least थोड़ा तो होगा. But my thing is that I want to keep that throughout.
Yes.
Like सिर्फ इस film के लिए नहीं, because you know it's a two female lover film,
Yeah.
but even in other films. And talent is very important. तो चाहे आप मतलब जहां से भी हो, पर अगर आप डिलीवर नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर वो फिल्म को हार्म हो रहा है, प्रोजेक्ट को हार्म हो रहा है, देन वो नहीं चलेगा. सो इफ यू आर विच एवर, चाहे आप किसी के बेटा बेटी, मतलब किसी के इन द सेंस दैट समबडी ऑफ पावर और इन्फ्लुएंस, आप बेटा बेटी हो कि नहीं, आप कहाँ से, आपके ब्रिंगिंग कहाँ हुई है, बट यू all of us have to serve the story and the project.
Yes.
That for me is the most important. So there are horror stories, there are stories of generational trauma, of survivors' guilt. There are stories about beauty.
Yes.
And there is a story about AI. So ये सारी अलग 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 चीजें हैं. There is a full family drama as well. So, and another thing that I've learned is कि अलग अलग थोड़ा 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 चलते रहना चाहिए.
Yes.
कौन सी गाड़ी आपकी कब स्पीड पकड़ लेगी, you don't know. And in fact, कल ही this wonderful book that I'm reading, screenwriting in Bollywood, उसमें था कि एक स्क्रिप्ट पे एक राइटर डायरेक्टर ने 17 साल काम किया, एंड अपोज टू बाकी जो उनकी स्क्रिप्ट्स होती हैं वो कई बार वो 2 हफ्ते में लिख लेती हैं. तो अगेन कुछ बड़ा छोटा या ज्यादा या कम इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होता है, कुछ चीजों को टाइम लगता है, कुछ चीजें जल्दी हो जाती है. सो विच इज व्हाई आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स सो दैट यू कीप working on those and थोड़ा growth उनकी रोज होती रहे.
Now we will just have a quick rapid fire.
Okay.
A book you're currently reading or plan to read?
I am reading Mansoor Khan ki a book called One, which talks about one culture जो सबका है और हमने humans ने एक अलग वो चीज बना.
A recent web series you binge watched?
Oh my god, I'm watching Severance on Apple TV and it's absolutely brilliant. Directed by Ben Stiller, who I absolutely adore and love, and even it has Adam Scott. Brilliant acting. Please watch it.
Your favorite co-actor?
यार ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But अभी because Mirzapur film is also going to happen and Mirzapur season 4 will also happen, and because I love Golu, then Ali Fazal.
Ali. Describe yourself in one word as a producer.
Ooh, oh my god, that I would want my films to be like a chart. कि you know when you have different वो जो bites में होते हैं ना, different flavors आते हैं.
Oh
कभी
my
वो
God.
मीठा ज़्यादा आता है, कभी वो तीखा ज़्यादा आता है. So yeah, I would want my films to be like a chart.
Women should stop doing ...
Women should stop judging themselves and each other.
Men should stop asking women to ...
Men should start asking themselves a lot of questions.
One thing Golu from Mirzapur can do, but Shweta Tripathi can't.
So I often wonder कि जैसे कॉलोनी में अगर कुछ गुंडे आ जाएंगे, I don't think I am the person जो जाके मतलब कि कौन है यहाँ पे. That way I think Golu is more Veera than I am. Yeah.
A piece of advice for a newcomer.
What is very important is that anything that you're going through or you're facing, please know it's a part of everybody else's conditioning. It, trust me, is not personal. People sometimes don't know how to behave in a better way.
Yes.
So they are just taking out their insecurity. And it's not fair. I'm not saying it's right. But just know that it's not because of what you're doing. And no matter what kind of experiences you have, the experiences you give to other people, that is the most important.
And on a final note, the best part of being a woman.
The best part of being a woman, right from the kind of feelings, the kind of archetypes that we get to live, be it, there's this wonderful book by Nirupama Subramaniam called Powerful. In that she talks about different archetypes, which are Kanya, Apsara, Rishika, Veera, Ma, Rani. We can be all of that.
Yes.
We are powerful because we literally have all those energies inside us. So as soon as we know how to access them better, we can be all of that. So please, even I'm trying to get better at it, but all of us have that power inside us. So let's celebrate that.
Wonderful. And that is a wrap. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.